Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today was a pretty decent day, especially for Tesla, which I will do a quick update at the end of this video. Alright, today we're gonna check the weather on Aapl, Pltr, URA, and we're gonna map out Costco. Let's start with Aapl real quick. Alright, good news for Aapl. We just broke through gap 1 and now we are heading toward gap 2. We have another 5% to the upside, which is awesome. Now let's move on to Pltr. Pltr is doing a very good recovery as well. This entire week, all the stock that got beaten down are doing a great recovery. So we just broke level 3 downtrend and level 2 downtrend, so we are pretty much trading at a level 1, which is really great. And we're about, well, I didn't draw the gap 1 and 2 for this, but we can do a quick little hack to figure this out. It seems like we are using gap 2 as support. Perfect. So that is great news for Pltr. So that means we are definitely gonna try to reach the downtrend gap 1 and 2. So we are about 8% from gap 2 and 16% from gap 1. So if you are trading Pltr, I wish you the best. Now let's move on to URA. Not much action going on URA currently. If I were to take a measurement from this downtrend period, I'm pretty sure I would be able to figure it out. But sure, why not? Let's do this downtrend measurement just for the hell of it. So we pretty much got rejected by the level 3 of this current downtrend. I'm not gonna be worried about much of the small action. We still have plenty of room in the upside. So yeah, it's looking real good. 25% pretty much. Alright, let's move on to Costco. Just like Walmart, Costco have had a very long history and I'm not going way back there. So we're gonna take measurement from 2009, which was a major crash, and the most recent crash, which is 2020. Let's begin. Alright, as you can see, Costco is been on a rampage. Like, sometimes I look at Costco chart, I'm like, how is this a retail stock and not a tech stock? It's just, the growth is just insane. But anyways, we just bounced off this level 5 trend from 2020, the purple one. We didn't reach the one from 2009, so that's a good thing. That means it still have a lot of firepower most likely. And now for a quick update on Tesla. Alright. Tesla recovered a lot quicker than I thought. I thought it would take a couple more days, but as you can see, we just skipped through time pretty much. Everybody was pretty much ready to buy this like crazy, which is awesome. So now what we are looking at is gap level 1, we are pretty much touching, and gap level 2, which is another 5%. So if we can break through this, we are breaking a historically big downtrend, because as you can see, we've been in this downtrend period since 62 days ago. So this downtrend line is very powerful, but since it's painfully obvious, I'm pretty sure market makers are not gonna use this as a major downtrend support line. I don't want to be overly enthusiastic right now, but I feel like we can break this. But if the negative news about Tesla start hitting bad again and Elon does something really stupid, and obviously we're not gonna break that. Anyways, I wanted to make this quick update because of this major trend line we're about to hit, and if you're trading Tesla like I am, best of luck. That's all I can say. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.